Hello, welcome to Learn English and Practice with Marie. Today we will do 10 questions on getting to know you in English and Haitian Creole. For each question, there will be four possible answers, and we'll use both languages. Let's go. How are you?
Comment ou ye?
I'm great.
Mwen bien.
I'm doing fantastic.
Mwen fè très bien.
I'm not doing well.
Mwen pa bien.
I'm awesome. How are you?
Mwen santi mwen très bien. E koman ou ye?
What is your name?
Kijan rele?
My name is Zach.
Mwen se Zach.
It is nice to meet you.
Mwen kontan fè konesans ou.
It is nice to meet you too.
Se yon plezi tou pou mwen renkontre ou.
I'm excited to meet you.
Mwen kontan renkontre ou.
What do you like to do for fun?
Ki sa ou reme fè pou pran plezi ou?
I love to study.
Mwen reme etidye.
I enjoy listening to music.
Mwen reme tande mizik.
I like to spend time with my family.
Mwen reme pase tan ak fanmi mwen.
I love to practice speaking English.
Mwen reme pratike angle.
Tell me about your family.
Pale mwen de fanmi ou.
I have a large family.
Mwen gen yon gro fanmi.
I have two sisters and three brothers.
Mwen gen dese ak 3 fwe.
I have three children.
Mwen genyen 3 ti moun.
My grandparents live with me.
Granparan mwen yo ap viv ak mwen.
Where do you live?
Ki kote ou rete?
I live in the city.
Mwen rete nan vil la.
I live on a farm.
Mwen rete nan yon fem.
I live in California.
Mwen rete nan Kaliforni.
I am moving to Michigan.
Mwen pral bote pou Michigan.
What is your job?
Ki pwofesyon ou?
I work in an office.
Mwen travay nan yon biro.
I am a teacher.
Mwen se yon pwofese.
My job is in construction.
Travay mwen se nan konstriksyon.
I do not have a job.
Mwen pa gen travay.
What do you do on the weekend?
Ki sa ou fe nan weekend yo?
I go to a restaurant on the weekend.
Mwen ale nan restoran nan weekend.
I spend time with my friends.
Mwen pase tan ak zanmi mwen yo.
I go to the movie theater on Saturday nights.
Mwen ale nan sinema samdi swa.
I do laundry and clean my house on Sunday.
Mwen lave epi netwaye kay mwen nan dimanche.
What kind of food do you like?
Ki kalite manje ou reme?
I like American food.
Mwen reme manje Ameriken.
I love pizza.
Mwen reme pizza.
I enjoy steak and potatoes.
Mwen reme steak ak pom de te.
My favorite type of food is Mexican.
Kalite manje mwen pi reme se Meksiken.
Where are you from?
Kote ou soti?
I am from America.
Mwen soti Amerik.
My family is from Italy, but I am American.
Fanmi mwen soti nan peyi Itali, men mwen se Ameriken.
I am Chinese.
Mwen se Chinois.
I was born in New York City, but live in New Jersey now.
Mwen te fet nan vil New York, men ma viv nan New Jersey kounya.
What do you look like?
A ki sa ou semble?
I am tall and beautiful.
Mwen wou e mwen bel.
I have brown hair and green eyes.
Mwen gen cheve marron ak je vet.
I am short and have blonde hair.
Mwen kout, mwen gen cheve pit.
I am old and have white hair.
Mwen gran moun e mwen gen cheve blanc.
Great job today. There will be other Creole and English videos on this channel. And to practice English, you can use the conversation videos that come out on Wednesdays and Sundays. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe.